Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, and Avalanche in that order. And I also want to address some things here using TradingView, guys. We talked about the indicators, and I wanted to do an indicator video, but how some of the indicators updated. And I have to go through settings. I got to do a whole nother charting thing for you guys and everything else. It's a whole nother video. I still got to work on that. But there's something I did notice too as well, guys. And this is not good for TradingView because TradingView is what everybody uses. This is like the number one trading site. And this is really concerning me. And I don't know if someone can figure out this in the comment section. I'm going to email them as well and try to figure out what's going on here. But you can see here in my other video the other day, I talked about Bitcoin hitting our buy zone perfectly, right? But then I got confused here because if you look here, this is the exact same chart, Coinbase, US dollar. It got down to 42,489, right? But on my chart that I've been charting on YouTube here, same thing, Coinbase, US dollar, same exact thing. There's no difference. Guys, look where it is in my buy zone, coming in anywhere from, we talked about this, 46 to 44, 325, and they have the low here coming in at 45,000. Now, I've been always talking about this retest. I've been talking about this is good. Then I talked about this in my video, how we get rejected here, and we're probably going to come down to this area right here, which is exactly what happened. And the last video, I didn't do a video yesterday. It was my son's birthday, so I was doing that. So I didn't do a video yesterday, but I did do a video this 2 days ago, and we talked about this happening. And I drew this up before it happened, and I said, guys, don't panic in this situation. Well, it happened exactly as I predicted on this chart, but then when I loaded up a new chart, okay, with the same indicators, everything changed, and even the price. Now that's kind of scary to me because now I'm looking at it going, okay, well, because we're doing this, guys. We're doing technical analysis. We got to have these charts on point. We can't have these charts off. Like this is a big no-no for me. So now I'm a little concerned on what we're doing here because it's throwing me off because here I'm thinking, man, we got this perfectly. But then I go to the same Coinbase chart, same everything. All I did was start a new chart and the price is completely different, guys. So, and I thought I had it wrong. I was like, man, I can't believe I was off that much. Like, how did that happen? I was confused on how I was off because, guys, you know me. You see my zones. Usually we hit these bottoms. This was my bottom zone. We hit it perfect. Usually I'm always on point. We talk about this. And I was confused when this was going on. Now I have some Bitcoin that I'm holding long, of course. I don't really trade Bitcoin too much. I know a lot of people do it with leverage and stuff like that, but that's not really my thing. I've done it before where I've shorted it when it was on the high and stuff like that, but I'm not too much of a fan of doing it. If I see a really, really golden opportunity, like I should have shorted it at 69 because we talked about $69,000 to $70,000 being a big pullback zone, and we got up to that 69,000, and we've been talking about that all the way back here. That was my plan from the beginning, and we got to that 69,000. They tanked it. One of the reasons I say that, guys, is because now a lot of institutions are in this game, and right now they're playing with retail's money. They're just they're faking you guys out. They're taking your Bitcoin. You got to understand, some of these coins have limited supply. They want that supply. They want real Bitcoin. You go on Robinhood, guys. You guys are buying fake Bitcoin. You're not buying real Bitcoin. You go on Coinbase. You go on Binance. You go on some of these other exchanges. You're buying real Bitcoin, guys. And I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. But you're buying real Bitcoin. Okay? They want real Bitcoin. Okay, yes, I know they use, Grayscale, some of these other things, and trust. And they do different things, try to get it cheaper for their clients and stuff like that. But the real whales, guys, they want real Bitcoin. They don't want to go through some fake stuff, okay? They don't want to go through these trusts. They don't want to go through Grayscale. They don't want to go through Robinhood. They want to take your real Bitcoin, and there's a limited supply. So they're playing these games to wipe out retail because, 2 years ago, last year, they started coming in big time. So I'm going to use 2 years ago as an example. Okay. This was a retail driven market. Now institutions have taken that over in the percentage wise. Okay. I think now it's only like 30% retail. It used to be 80%, guys, 70%. Then last year it was like 47, and then it was 51 or something like that, 47 retail. Now this year they're just taking over. And now what they're doing is they're playing their games. And I know what they do, guys. Institutions will get together. They're in New York City. You think it's just one institution. No. They know each other, guys. They work together. All right. They will go the Bulls and Bears Club, which is it's a club that only a certain amount of people, certain institutions can go to. They'll meet up there, guys. They will talk, they will discuss, and they will figure out ways how to dump market, how to manipulate it. They will use the media. You got to remember with crypto, guys, and I know I'm going on a rant here because I'm seeing this manipulation even through this. This is not right. And they will use platforms. They will use, you got to understand, there's no regulations right now in crypto. It's a wild, wild west right now. They can do anything they want, and there's nothing they can get. They can't get in trouble for anything. There's nothing stopping them right now. So they can call media. They can start FUD storms. They could use lies. They could get people to say certain things. It's not against the law to do anything. They can do whatever they want. So they're going to pull out the dirtiest tricks that they can pull off to take your money right now. So you guys got to remember this, okay? I want you guys to remember this. They can do whatever they want. They can paint the charts, all right? They can use the media to paint the charts. And then what they do is when it gets down in these buy zones that we talk about, they're buying your Bitcoin that you're getting scared and selling to them. But it's what it is, okay? Ethereum, same thing. We talked about getting to 35,000. We got down, and this is shocking to me because this never happened. Come on, guys, we always hit these marks, right? We got down. I had 35 to 34, and yeah, we got down to 35.75, and I can maybe see a spot right here, and I'll show you guys where they could have touched it. But I'm a little skeptic on why. I guarantee. Let's do this. Let's go to this chart. Let's type in ETH. Let's see what it says. What do we got? So we got 35.70 here. Okay, same chart, Coinbase, right? Let's see what we got here. Wait, is it the same chart? Let's see. Okay, yeah, different charts. And we got 37.68. So that looks like it's on point. I don't know why, which we never touch this, guys. You know me. I just leave my charts the way they are because I want to be authentic on crypto on my channel. I don't know why Bitcoin was coming up. And I remember talking about that day, like, wow, I can't believe it got to 42. That even threw me off a little bit. I thought they were going to bring it down to 44, 45. And I knew they were going to crush it. But look, yeah, right here. And I don't know why I'm not seeing it. I don't know why I'm not seeing it on this. Okay, so it's a little confusing, guys. I don't know if I have to load, like they did an update and you got to load like all your charts that you have. You have to reload them and put all new indicators in. And I'm going to have to go through this. I'm going to have to email them. I have to figure this out. And so I feel bad because, well, this is something I can't do nothing about for you guys. But, I come on here and I tell you guys, this is where it's going and this is where it goes on my chart. But then I check this and it's something completely different. And I'm apologizing because I think I'm off. But then here, am I off or am I on? We don't know. So what's the real price of Bitcoin? Okay. And I know if you guys go on Coinbase or you go on Binance or any exchanges, the prices are always going to be different. If I go on Binance, the price will be different on Binance than it will be on Coinbase. Each exchange will sell. I get that part. I understand that. So I don't want to, people in the comments say, oh, well, different. No. I'm talking about we're using a Coinbase chart with a Coinbase chart and the prices are different. That should not be happening. We're trying to chart this to get this down where we can make money here and we know what the heck's going on. We just got a new daily candle, by the way, too, guys. Just started at 7 o'clock. They need to update that to 8 o'clock because it should be 8 o'clock, but they haven't done it since the time change. So that's something they need to work on too as well. Maybe on this one they did. Let's look. No, new candle. So they need to update that as well. There's a lot of things. Don't get me wrong. TradingView, guys, is the best platform by far, but I've never seen this. Never seen this. Where you're using the two same thing. Like I said, I could go to Binance or FTX or anything else. Like we can go down the list. Look at this. Bybit. There'll be different prices. I understand that, guys. But I shouldn't, if I'm going to Coinbase and Coinbase like this here, Coinbase, look, it should be on the same price. So Coinbase, look, makes no sense, guys. Two different prices. We're in our buy zone here and not here. So I'm going to have to email them that. I got to get that, figure that out. So if I was off on there, guys, I apologize. I don't know if I am or if I'm not. I have no idea. I'm a little confused. So I'm making this video and I know I'm ranting. It's been 11 minutes, guys, and I apologize. And I'm going to get to some of the charting because if this played out, this is exactly what we looked for, exactly what we drew up. I could even pull up the YouTube video when I talked about it back here when I drew this up and I said, hey, guys, we're up here. I said, hey, we could probably get rejected. We could probably come back down here, either get a bounce off this trend and go. But if this trend fails, we're probably going to come back down in this area and get a bounce in this area and get a trend and go from there, right? That was exactly what we talked about. This is exactly, and I said this scenario would be the best scenario. But now I don't know if that 100% is playing out or they took it lower. I'm not sure. I mean, either way, it wicked back up, so we're good. But I don't like that the price is off because I'm trying to accurately, chart Bitcoin for you here, okay? And I'm trying to accurately chart Ethereum and Matic and Cardano and Solana and Shiba and everything else that we're doing. I'm trying to do this as accurate as possible. And now I gotta take a step back. I gotta email. I gotta go through all this stuff. I gotta figure out what's going on with TradingView because it's not on my end, guys. So if you guys are going, wow, Moondog's off, what the heck is wrong with him? It's not on my end. I gotta figure what's going on because now I'm looking at these charts and I don't know if anything's. I mean, it seems right. We went to Ethereum. Ethereum was on point. I don't know if it's just a Bitcoin thing. I'm really confused, guys. So if anybody else can come up with a theory on why it's on this chart, off on the same exact thing, it's just a newer chart. Like I just started this chart for you guys to show you guys indicators, but then all the indicators had to be updated, which I still haven't done all that yet. But here's some of the indicators, and I'm going to go through each indicator. I don't want to just show you guys indicators. I want to show you how they work too. Okay. So when I do an indicator video, I'm going to show you how they work. So that's a long video. Okay. But now I got to go through because all the indicators have changed on me when I started a new chart. These are my old charts, same indicators, but look at the difference. I got to update them all. So I don't know if that has something to do with it. They should have sent an email out or something saying that because I'm expecting this move and we got this move. And I was buying on this move, guys. I mean, we did. Listen, I got my. Hey, we did good because look at this. We bought on Matic. Everything we bought, we're up on it. Okay, we did good. Look, we bought my buy zones, so we did good. But it is disturbing because I'm trying to be accurate here. Okay, now we're gonna do this real quick because I don't have much time now. We got only 5 minutes. I got 5 minutes to give you guys the news. Okay. Bitcoin, I think we're going to trade a little sideways here. I want to see 45, 46 hold up. And I would like to trade back above 50,000 or 51 even and really get above this trend again. Let's see if it was up today. I would like to see us get above 52,300. Get a 4-hour daily candle closing above there. Obviously, the daily won't be till tomorrow, so even tomorrow we'll get a daily above there. But 4-hour and then a retest and then stabilize from there. Maybe a little sideways action. Maybe a little down in this area, anywhere from 50,000 to 44,000. Okay, that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. I hope that's right. I got to find out because it could be 42. we'll just talk about that. But right now, that's what I'm looking at. Ethereum, we got a nice bounce here. It is got back above the trend. So I want to see my green line hold up coming in right around. Actually, you know what? Let's see. Do I see anything? We can bring this down just a little bit. No, actually, I want to see that hold up. I want to see this right here. So 46.60 or 41.65, 41.70. Let's see if that holds. If we get a wick down here, that's not a big deal. As long as it closes back above that on a 4-hour, that's what I really want to see for more upside. If not, then yeah, we could flirt in this 4,000 to 3,900 area. You can see this got bought up really quick. That's a good sign. I'm sorry, guys, I can't go into too much detail, but you guys get the point. And I would like to see a 4-hour candle closing above 42.60 to get a real nice move and then get above this 50-day moving average. Here, I'll look at that real quick. Coming in right around 43.36. All right. Matic, get our buy zone perfect. I didn't do a video yesterday, like I said, but our video that we did, we talked about this in a buy zone. We hit it perfectly to the dollar, guys. I've been talking about it for a while. Nice move to the upside. Now we're holding up support around the $2 area, which I said would be nice. Now let's see if this $2.03 area holds. If not, I want to see the 197 hold up. 4-hour candle closing above 206. That's what I'm looking at for continuation. And to the upside, let's see. To the upside, I just want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 206 and then maybe above 212. And then maybe we can get back up into this 220, 222 area. Cardano, how much time I got left? I'm running out of time. Cardano, guys, we got to bounce off of 128. You can see back here where you can see the touch points here. Where else? Here, let me zoom in for you guys so you get a better picture of 128 is looking like good support. So I want to see that hold up. All these touch points here. You can see even right here and right here. Support resistance. So I want to see that 128 hold up as support. Worst case scenario I want to give you. And then to the upside, if the 128 doesn't hold, guys, we can look at the 107 to 99 area, or even $1. I would say. And to the upside, I want to see us get back above 140 to 150. Plain simple. 4-hour candle closing above there. Solana, how much time do we have? I got 17 minutes. Solana, we hit our buy zone. So I want to see the 178 hold up. If 178 doesn't hold up, then we could see this 170 to 164 area that we talked about and maybe get a bounce there and see if that holds. If it does hold, then we could see another bounce here. I would like to see the $200 area get a 4-hour candle closing above there, and then maybe get back above 211 to 216. Shib Nation, Shib Army. How much time we got? Okay, we got 2 minutes. Shib, yeah, we got our bounce off of 3,049. I'm not going to add all the zeros. You guys can do that yourself. But yeah, we got a bounce there. I want to see that hold up. I also want to see my box area hold up. Coming in at 33.85. Short term to 34.67. Definitely want to see that area hold up. It would be nice to see the 35 sustain here and then work our way sideways. I want to see some consolidation on all this. So I want to see sideways movement more than anything. It looks like we're breaking that. So maybe sideways down to 34. Oh, it did get a little bounce. And then I would like to see us get a 4-hour candle closing above 37 and right. Oh, no, I didn't get it. I know I'm running out of time, guys. And then 38.50 area. Okay. Let's see. Avalanche, guys. I'm running out of time. Avalanche, it could get down in this 74 to 71 range. I want to see the 84 hold up. If we get a 4-hour candle closing under that, actually under 80, then yeah, we could see the 74 to 71. I do want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 90 again for more continuation to the upside. Guys, that's it for tonight's video. Much love to you guys. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. If you guys can figure out the charting, let me know at the bottom. I'm going to email them because I didn't realize this was going on until just a little bit ago. I couldn't figure out why I was off. But much love to you guys and peace out.